What's the meaning of Amnesty International? Amnesty International. Amnesty International. Amnesty International. Amnesty International. Amnesty International.
Amnesty International is a non-governmental organization that advocates for human rights around the world. It conducts research and campaigns to raise awareness about human rights abuses, including torture, imprisonment, and capital punishment. The organization is known for its efforts to free prisoners of conscience, individuals who have been imprisoned solely for their political beliefs or because of their race, religion, or ethnicity. Amnesty International has been instrumental in pressing governments to improve their human rights records and has helped secure the release of thousands of prisoners around the world.